When deploying clusters of this size, thousands and thousands of GPUs, that's typically a much longer time frame. It's only when you have an organization and a company like Lambda that has done this before, that has the relationships in industry, that knows what it takes, can you compress such a time frame to do it in 90 days. And that's what a lot of our customers come to us for, is we've done it before, we've been there, we know the gotchas along the way, and we can help them meet time frames that really are unacceptable for other organizations to be able to deliver in.
Deploying at this scale requires a massive amount of coordination, both off-site and on-site. I think that's one of the areas where Lambda was able to come together, right? Both working with our third-party contractors, the city inspectors, as well as the companies that were working for us on-site with the installation. You can imagine every phase of this build, we had hundreds of construction contractors building out the facility while also building out the inside of our cluster. So being able to coordinate these different teams with materials and also on-site installations was very, very crucial to the success of this project.
There's a number of challenges involved with this build, right? Not just the time frame being short and compressed, but really a lot of external factors that we had to adapt and overcome in order to deliver the infrastructure on time, from regional fires to delays because of those fires for inspectors, to just having to constantly change the game plan based on what was happening at the time to know what you could work on and advance the schedule versus what you had to pause and put behind schedule in order to make up sometime later because of what happened in the environment.
We were still able to hit our dates, working partnership with the local city and aligning with the county fire department to get a clear understanding on what we could do as far as work prior to that inspection happening. So I think that partnership that Lambda had with the county and the city really drove that towards an end result of delivering right on time. I believe there was a certain point in the project where we really felt that things were moving in the right direction to hit our timeline, and that was when we actually completed the commissioning of our power, right? So that really good point that allows us to actually go in, install our racks, power up our equipment. You could hear the humming of the systems, you could see them alive, you could really feel that that cluster was getting to a final stage of completion.
As Lambda continues to deploy infrastructure on a hyperscale, we just continue to get better. Not only do we get faster, but the infrastructure becomes much more predictable, reliable, and also the ability to integrate and interface for our customers in the infrastructure becomes greater and greater. I just see Lambda continuing to grow and being sort of our customers on demand. You know, give us a call, we need this amount of infrastructure in this amount of time, and there's not even a question. We'll just have it ready to go for those customers whenever they need it.